This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cornbread better. First, select fine ground cornmeal for a wonderfully tender texture. Next, incorporate buttermilk into your batter. It provides a delightful tang and ensures a moist result. Finally, preheat your cast iron skillet in the oven before adding the batter. This crucial step guarantees that coveted crispy crust every time. Achieving the perfect flavor involves a few key additions. A touch of sugar can balance the savory notes without making it overly sweet. For unparalleled richness, opt for melted butter or even bacon fat in your recipe. Remember, gentle mixing is essential. Combine ingredients just until moistened to prevent developing the gluten too much, which can lead to a tough cornbread. Now for the baking process. Ensure your oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for consistent cooking. Once the batter is in your hot skillet, bake it for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until the top is beautifully golden brown and a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Serve your delicious cornbread warm, perhaps with a dollop of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside a hearty chili. To truly elevate your cornbread, consider adding fresh or creamed corn directly into the batter for an extra layer of moisture and sweetness. For those who enjoy a bit of heat, chopped jalapenos and shredded cheddar cheese make a fantastic savory addition. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing leak-proof containers that make meal prep a breeze, along with other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly baked cornbread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.